Welcome to Paraben's E3 platform, Office 365 email. Office 365 email has become a larger issue in investigations every day as more and more companies and individuals are moving to the cloud. In order for you to process Office 365 email, you must have the appropriate credentials to be able to do the processing. Once you have those credentials, you can deal with the appropriate information stores that are available to those credentials and limit or extend the scope of your investigation. Now we will have Edwin, the digital avatar of E3, walk you through the process of processing Office 365 email.
Hello, and welcome. I am Edwin, the digital avatar for Paraben's electronic evidence examiner platform. I will be your guide as we explore the powerful and intuitive functions of E3. In this video we will obtain Outlook data from the Microsoft Office 365 cloud-based service, using the Import Office 365 data feature. You will need to register E3 as a trusted application, and obtain the 3 elements required for launching the authentication process. This video will show you how to obtain these elements, and import Office 365 data into your case file. First, go to portal.azure.com, and log in, using the Office 365 administrator credentials. Select Azure Active Directory in the Favorites menu. Then, in the Manage menu, click App Registrations, and click New Registration. On the Register an Application page, enter Electronic Evidence Examiner in the name text box. In the Supported Account Types list, select Accounts in this organizational directory only. And in the Redirect URL section, select Public Client in the menu. Click Register. On the Overview page, make sure to copy Application ID and Tenant ID, and save them to a secure location. Now, return to the Manage menu and click API Permissions, then click Add a Permission. On the Request API Permissions page, click Microsoft Graph, and then click Application Permissions. In the Permissions list, expand Mail, and select Mail.read. Then expand User, select User.read.all and click Add Permissions. On the API Permissions page, in the Grant Consent section, click Grant Admin Consent for, and then click Yes. Next, on the Certificates and Secrets page, click New Client Secret in the Client Secrets section. Enter the description. Select Never in the Expires list, and click Add. The client secret will be displayed in the Value column in the Client Secrets section. Make sure to copy the client secret and save it to a secure location. Once you have obtained the needed credentials, open E3 and create a case file. On the Tools tab in the Cloud Data group, click Import Office 365 Data. Now, on the Account page of the Office 365 Data Import Wizard, enter the copied application ID, tenant ID, and client secret, assigned in the process of the application registration, and click Authenticate. The authentication process begins. Its progress will be displayed on the authentication process page. After the authentication process finishes, click Continue. On the Data for Importing page, the list of successfully authenticated email accounts will be displayed. If necessary, select the data to be imported from each email account, or define the time range to import the relevant data from the selected email accounts. Then click Import Data. The import process begins. When the data import process finishes, click Finish. The data is now imported and added to the case file. Every imported email account is added as separate mail storage evidence, with the corresponding account name. Your evidence is now ready for analysis.